Hello and good day. We are analyzing the GBPUSD currency pair on December 29th, 2025. As predicted, after the price collected liquidity on the buy side and reacted to this daily order block area, which was also optimized on the 4-hour time frame, it entered a bearish phase and continued its downward trend as expected. Here, there was a price correction, during which a swing failure pattern strategy formed for us, and we saw the price move upward. It entered the zone again, and if there was a price pullback, we could have entered a sell position at this point. We would place our stop loss behind the zone, aiming for the swing target located in this area, which would give us a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 2. But on Monday, as the day started, we saw that the price moved downward. It collected the sell-side liquidity here, reacted to this 4-hour order block zone, also formed liquidity here, and ultimately entered a consolidation phase. By switching to the 1-hour time frame, we can observe the price movement trend, which has entered this 1-hour order block zone. Here, there was a short-term correction, and eventually it entered a consolidation phase in this area, where it collected liquidity. It moved upward again. It collected the buy-side liquidity here. It also reacted to this FVG zone in this section, and ultimately closed in this area. On the 30-minute time frame, we can also identify a trading strategy, where we see that after collecting the sell-side liquidity and reacting to this 1-hour order block zone, the price entered a bullish phase here. It collected the liquidity in this area, but it failed to close above this swing level and close below it. So with a price pullback to the downside and entry into this rejection block zone, we can look for Orion Soldier trading strategy, or a strategy number 2. In this section, step by step, if liquidity forms here, and if we observe weakness in the trend and a drop, we can enter a buy position and use this opportunity to go long, so that the buy-side liquidity is collected towards the higher swing targets, or this order block zone, where liquidity is formed at its lower part. Or, if the price moves downward, it collects the sell-side liquidity here and eventually closes again within the range of this shadow. We can use this opportunity to enter a buy position. We determine the entry point at the 50% level of this order block and the 50% level of this shadow. We place the stop loss behind the swing or behind the order block area. Targeting the higher swings or this order block area gives us a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 4, and we can achieve a 1 to 2 risk-reward ratio in this section. Wishing you success and profitable trades.